Everybody, and welcome to a new game. I don't know what this game's called. It's really funny. So all you have to do is take out your card. So I guess I'm uploading something. Take out the memory card thing, and then you can just spacebar, and then you go as many miles as you can. I think there's actually feet. I've gotten very close to 1,000. This game is very funny, hilarious, and entertaining. I don't know, it's just addicting. It's kind of like Flappy Bird, like don't hit the cactus. But yeah, don't hit the cactus. I'm just gonna take a few seconds, not speaking, and play the game. Starting now. Aw, you guys messed me up. I was looking through the camera. Ball one. That's gonna be the end of this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be online in a couple of minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Keep on gaming.